Moving on then, and let's focus in on earnings. JSW, Jindal Saw rather, saw a bumper set. You had the Q4 EBITDA coming in at an all-time high. Let's take it across to Sharad, who joins in with the earnings fine print. Sharad?
Well, yes, in focus we are having Jindal Saw, and the fourth quarter numbers have been very strong set of numbers coming in with the EBITDA jumping almost 50%. And if you look at PAT as well as EPS, both of them jumped 2.5 times on a year-on-year basis. Now the company itself delivered its best quarterly EBITDA numbers, and looking at the performances of the foreign segment as well as the Indian segment, which actually stood out and was above analyst estimates. Now looking at the order book itself, it came in at almost $1.5 billion on a combined basis. That itself rose 150% on a year-on-year basis. Apart from this, looking at the internals, we saw that this was a benefit coming in from the good order mix and also the gains coming in the DI pipes, especially for the older orders, which actually increased spreads for the company. Now when a spread increases, the margins also increases, and that's what we saw with 150 basis points increase in the margins as well. Apart from this, looking at the segmental performances, DI and saw pipes stood out overall in the earnings season with almost a 27 to 37% volume growth seen on a year-on-year basis. Now pellets did see a degrowth of 4%, while seamless pipes also came in with a 14% strength on a year-on-year basis. Apart from this, the consolidated net debt also reduced by 700 crore sequentially, coming in at almost 3,800 crore rupees, and two reasons attributed for it. First one is it's aided by the working capital release and also advance coming in from the customers. Now the guidance going ahead for the company includes that they'll be bidding more domestic and export orders, especially from the oil, gas and water segments. That's where the commentary is strong, and also the merger of subsidiaries and affiliates in order to simplify the company's restructuring process will also aid to the margins and operating leverages going ahead.